Using Unanet's project-based inventory and manufacturing, customers can create orders, track inventory information, manage items, assembly and sub-assemblies, while automatically updating the project and accounting information on the ERP. Let's take a look. Let's pretend I just received a new task order to supply some drones to the Department of Defense on one of my existing contracts. I can add an order here by clicking on the Add button. I'm going to identify the customer, the project, and a related task if desired. Once I've entered all the summary level information, I can identify the specific product I need to assemble, the drone bundle. I enter the quantity and click the Create button. I generate a work production order by clicking on the Build icon, seen here. This automatically creates the demand for all the different BOM items, and will also pull on any manufacturing processes that need to be performed. Now let's go see if we need to order any material in support of the work order or production order we just created. We do this in the Below Minimum section. Here you can see what products we need to purchase based on the current outstanding demand. Not just on this order, but on any outstanding orders. We can also see how quickly we need to get the purchase orders out to the vendors in order to meet the production deadlines, factoring in any lead times. The data is sent to Unanet, where you can see the purchase order was created in the status of Submitted, and it has already begun to flow through an approval process. When I click in, I can see the details of the items and the quantities that I'm ordering, along with the associated project. At this point, not only can the finance team see the purchase order, the project managers can also see the value of the commitment in the project summary reports. Now that I've sent my PO to the vendor, the inventory has arrived at my location. Let's go in and receive on that purchase order here in the ERP. Now I can create a vendor invoice based on the matched receipt of those materials. Now that I have the materials I need, it's time to start picking the materials to assemble the drones. We can do this for all the products, and then we will finalize and post this order, which will put the finished drone into our inventory. If you're recording labor during production as well, then you can utilize the process capture screen or your mobile device to record that. The system will determine automatically whether this is a start or stop scan and record automatically. Now we can pick the drones to be shipped to DoD in fulfillment of this order. You can see I have some labor as well as some material. And I can even drill in to see the material that was used. Finally, it's time to bill the DoD for the drones here. We've generated an invoice for the 50 drones at $1,000 each for a total of $50,000. After we complete this invoice and it's gone through the appropriate workflow, we can come back over to the PSR and see our overall profitability for this job.